latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Lawyer and activist Prashant Bhushan put out a tweet on Wednesday mocking the Bhumi Puja ceremony for Ram Temple in Ayodhya. The groundbreaking ceremony is scheduled to take place on August 5th and Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to attend this ceremony. Along with a cartoon, Prashant Bhushan wrote a line mocking the ceremony. After Thali Thali Candle, Papad, it's now the turn of Ayodhya Temple to cure us from COVID. In the tweet, he took a dig at the Prime Minister's appeal to the public during the nationwide lockdown. He said after clapping and lighting candles, now only Ram Temple can help us deal with COVID-19, mocking the Prime Minister. Prashant Bhushan is currently facing contempt proceedings for the tweets he made against the Chief Justice of India in relation to the Bhima Koregaon case. Prashant Bhushan's tweet comes in even as many leaders from the opposition have opposed PM's visit to Ayodhya. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi opposed Prime Minister's visit to Ayodhya and claimed that the visit would be communal. Prime Minister Narendra Modi should not attend that event. If he attends that function as the Prime Minister, then a message will be sent to the country that the Prime Minister is supporting people of only one faith. If he says he is going to attend the event in his individual capacity, then nobody will question it. Every Prime Minister, if he follows a religion, has the right to follow it. But the Prime Minister is also the constitutional head, and the Constitution is related to the basic structure of secularism. The opposition also attacked the BJP over TV coverage of the Bhumi Puja. AIMIM chief said that the Prime Minister should attend the event in his personal capacity. The PM should say that he will go in his personal capacity and no TV channel should live telecast. There is no religion of the country. Do India and the government of India have a religion? He is the Prime Minister of Muslims, Hindus, Dalits, backwards, Sikhs, Christians and those also who do not believe in any faith. Shiv Sena chief and Maharashtra chief minister too was against conducting a Bhumi Puja in Ayodhya in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. Uddhav Thackeray questioned if lakhs of other Ram Bhakts can be stopped from visiting Ayodhya amid the pandemic. He then suggested an e-Bhumi Puja to prevent Ayodhya from becoming a super spreader. He said that he will visit Ayodhya on August 5th and offer his prayers. An e-Bhumi Pujan can be done. The groundbreaking ceremony can be held through video conference. This is an event of joy and lakhs of people would be interested in attending the ceremony. Will we allow the spread of coronavirus? But a trust member has claimed that only 200 people will be allowed to attend the ceremony, keeping social distancing norms in mind.